What's good, everyone? Today we're breaking down the Motorola Edge 60 Pro, Motorola's sleek 5G contender that's ready to rumble in India. Think of it as tradition meeting tomorrow. Hey, first off, it feels like a dream in hand. Ultra-thin aluminum frame, vegan leather back, and a glass front with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. IP68 water dust armor seals the deal. No more babying your phone. Next up, a 6.7-inch FHD Plus POLED panel rocking 144Hz refresh and HDR10+. Colors pop, scrolls glide, and sunlight handled with up to 1/200 nits peak brightness. Under the hood sits a Snapdragon 778G Plus paired with 8GB LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. Day-to-day is butter smooth 90 FPS gaming? Yep. But hey, I'll reserve full judgment for real-world hustle. Triple rear camera, 50MP main with OIS, 50MP ultra-wide, and a 2MP depth sensor, and a 32MP selfie shooter. Video, sharp AF at 4K 30 FPS. Power comes from a $5,000 mAh cell with 68W turbocharging. Juice for days. If you dig honest tech takes, smash that like, hit subscribe, and drop your price guess for the 8 Plus 128GB model. Think it's a winner or a letdown? Comment below. Staying skeptical, staying curious. Catch you in the next one.